Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cute Christmas postcard. This is a nice and personalized present for your family and friends. And my family and I live in different countries, so this year I'm sending them all these postcards I've made, and I think they're gonna be really happy to receive them. So I'll guide you through the steps to make your own postcard, and I'm gonna get it printed through Canva, so I'll show you the process of doing that as well. But of course you can get it printed in any local place, like a printing house, printing office. But I'll show you how to do it through Canva in case you wanna just do it online and not interact with anyone. I also attached my sketch, so you can use my design if you want to. So let's get started. The first step of creating a postcard is to make your sketch. I've already made it. I'm not gonna show you the process here, but if you want to see my sketching process, you can watch this video where I explain it in detail. My canvas size is 372 millimeters by 264 millimeters. I chose that size because on Canva, the postcard size is around 148 by 105, I guess, but I want to make mine bigger because the quality will be better. And also if I want to use it for any different purpose, I can do it. So I will not be limited by a small size. The next step is to color the sketches. So I'm using 6B pencil, the standard Procreate brush, and I'm gonna create this pencil look. This time, usually I use a different one, but this time I want to create this handmade look. I just color everything with the 6B pencil, and I leave some small spaces on purpose, because when you color with a pencil, usually it's not really solid. So I'm doing the same here. After coloring my sketches, I add shadows and lights. And again, if you want to see how to do it, I'll link another video in the description so you can see my whole process for that. I do the same thing with each drawing. I add shadows, lights, and some details. my postcard design is ready, and I will show you how to get it printed through Canva. So go to Canva website, go to print products and choose a postcard. So they have a bunch of templates, but we don't need them. We are gonna upload our own design. So I choose upload my postcard there, and I can use it. I just need to place it correctly, not to have any white edges on my postcard. So I do that. And if you cannot see image bleed, just turn it on, because then you will be able to see all the bleed and make sure that you don't have any white edges on your postcard. So then I choose the size. I'm gonna go for A6 paper type. I choose this premium paper and matte finish. And I'm gonna go for 10 postcards. I think the more you add, the cheaper it gets. I think for me it's enough. Plus I will include envelopes in my order. So you can also download a PDF to check if everything is okay with your design. And I think everything looks fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and order it. So standard delivery. They also have express delivery. If you really need your postcards urgently, you can just order an express one. So my postcards have finally arrived. I think it took more or less 1 week or a bit less. So yeah, they look really cute. And I'm gonna start sending them to my friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make your own Christmas postcard, don't forget to tag me. I wanna see what you create. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.